Wait and see.
What if your next hire didn't need a salary, a laptop, or a lunch break? Baseten is pitching something wild. Unlimited AI employees that handle customer support, code review, and operations, all running on their cloud platform. This isn't a chatbot bolted onto a help desk widget. Baseten is building a full inference infrastructure layer where AI agents run as persistent, task-specific workers, each one spun up on demand, each one connected to your actual tools and data pipelines. Let's unpack what's actually under the hood. Baseten's architecture sits between your application layer and the raw GPU compute. You define a workload, say, an agent that triages incoming support tickets, and Baseten handles model selection, scaling, routing, and monitoring without you touching a single Kubernetes manifest. The platform supports multiple model backends. You can run open-source models like Llama or Mistral through their managed inference engine, or plug in proprietary APIs. The key detail: Baseten doesn't care whose model you use. We've built this so it doesn't care whose AI is behind the curtain. Here's where it gets interesting for engineering teams. Baseten deploys each AI employee as an isolated inference endpoint with its own resource allocation. One agent handling code review gets a dedicated GPU slice. Another running summarization gets a lighter footprint. You set the parameters, the platform handles the orchestration. The deployment workflow is straightforward. You define your workload in their SDK, specify the model and the task schema, push it to their API, and Baseten provisions the infrastructure. A developer at a mid-sized startup told us they went from prototype to production deployment in under 2 days. No dedicated MLOps team required. Now, pricing. Baseten operates on a usage-based model. You pay for compute time and token throughput, not per seat. For a startup running a handful of agents, that's manageable. Maybe a few $100s a month, but here's the catch. If you scale to dozens of always-on agents processing thousands of requests per minute, the bill climbs fast. One team reported their monthly inference costs hit $12,000 after scaling their support automation to handle 50,000 tickets a week. Security-wise, Baseten encrypts data in transit and at rest, offers VPC isolation for enterprise customers, and supports SOC 2 compliance. For companies handling sensitive customer data, the VPC isolation is the critical piece. Your inference workloads run inside your own virtual private cloud, not on shared infrastructure. The real-world use cases are where this gets concrete. One company uses Baseten to run an AI employee that monitors their CI pipeline, reviews pull requests, and flags potential bugs before a human ever looks at the code. Another runs a customer support agent that pulls from their knowledge base, drafts responses, and escalates to a human only when confidence drops below a threshold they define. And yes, the unlimited part needs a reality check. Unlimited doesn't mean free, it means you won't hit an artificial cap on how many agents you can spin up. Your GPU budget is the actual ceiling. The competitive angle. Baseten isn't the only player in managed inference, but their pitch is different. They're not selling you a model. They're selling you the infrastructure to run AI employees at scale, with monitoring, auto-scaling, and multi-model flexibility baked in. For teams that don't want to build and maintain their own inference stack, that's a genuine time saver. The bottom line, Baseten delivers a solid platform for teams ready to move beyond single-purpose AI tools and into persistent, task-specific AI workers. The architecture is sound, the deployment story is clean, and the pricing is transparent, even if it gets expensive at scale. Full breakdown with setup walkthroughs, code examples, and pricing comparisons linked in the description. Subscribe to Wait and See for more signal through the noise of AI.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.